Yeah, what happened though?
Pipe froze and blew up.
Oh, pipe froze and blew up. Okay, turns out I completely underestimated the fire, like the fire alarm, because I mean, there is no fire, but there's apparently a very big leak that has happened. Yeah, the Christmas decoration is still up, and the entire mail room is flooded. So it's leading all the way up to there. Battalion chief is here, and like the firefighters are here. Everything okay?
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Most of the times, it is almost nothing. It's just like a false alarm with, someone who's probably burnt their food or something like that. So when this happened, my roommate just rushed into my room and she was like, what is happening? And I just texted, don't get alarmed. Because I thought that it's just one of those things, and I told her that it's fine. Before that, just look at this. And then we decide कि एक बार देखते हैं, like let's just see what's happening. And we go, and she tells me that she smells something. Then she tells me that it's smelling. Say hi.
Hi.
And then I was like, okay, I think we should go. And then we go, and the moment we step out, there is this waterfall happening in our mail room, which has never happened. So I was like literally my face was like that. And then we went downstairs, and turns out I had underestimated the cold, and I was in my pajamas because I thought ki tab tak I'll just go niche and check my mail. But yeah, and then one of the firefighters said that this is probably like the 30th sprinkler break in the last few hours today. Apparently there was some water pressure issue, or I don't know what it was, but it was basically that. It's all good now. They're drying the entire area. It's almost sunset time and the weather is so nice. I anyway had to come for a walk, so I think I'm just gonna do a few steps right now, and then while I'm heading back, I'll show you what it looks like. Till then, just check out the view. This is how much it has snowed. I'm gonna try and sit. भाई पर ये मेरे pyjamas.
How cold is it?
नीचे से हवा आ रही है स्नो की.
Beautiful people at beautiful sunset.
In February यहाँ पे 4 महीने की क्रिसमस होती है, अक्टूबर एंड से लेके 15th Feb तक.
हमने इंस्पिरेशन लेके क्रिसमस ट्री नहीं हटाई हमारी.
Yes, we have thought we take inspiration. जैसे ये ट्री बाहर आएगी वैसे हमारी भी निकलेगी. मैं उतरूँ कैसे? उतरूँ मतलब नहीं. Let me try. Oh, ow.
She's gonna try to come from there.
If I fall,
You will fall.
it's hard.
No, it will get soft randomly, okay? Be careful. Be very careful. हाँ, वो अभी पूरा खरिस्त हो गया अब.
अबे मैं निकलूँ कैसे?
Go back.
आगे जाऊँ?
You will. The sofa. I don't even know the word. Sink. Perks of being bilingual. You will sink randomly. हाँ. Do not.
अगर मैं
Please.
जल्दी
जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है.
Oh shit!
हाँ. Now go उधर से साइड में या फिर
मैं फंस गई.
go back. Wait.
इधर
Should I
जाऊँ?
come?
Wait.
हाँ. You will. You will. Like I told you.
Don't fall. The thing is,
You will sink.
मैं आ रही हूँ ना कैमरे में.
हाँ.
Okay, this is better. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How was the obstacle course?
I think
एक दिन की फिटनेस बस हो गई.
हाँ वो मेरे क्रॉक्स पहने हैं मैंने.
हाँ.
And it's gotten inside. Yeah, I think enough adventure. Fire and snow has been done. Should have worn gloves.
Yeah.
Gloves? What is gloves? Gloves. Can we go back in?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Thank you. Yes.